Hey, Sean here from SpeakToBeView.com. I got a package from Rubik's. I'm super excited about this. It's getting close to Halloween time, so I'm going to change my mat from what's here to a spooky mat. Okay, so here's the package from Rubik. Before we get going, please hit that like and subscribe button. We are almost at 100,000 subscribers, and I want to get that plaque so I can put it next to my master's degree. Ooh, there's a couple things in here. I'm going to make a video on each one. We're going to start with the Rubik Phantom. Now, this is really cool. I've already seen what it is, and you can kind of see touch, reveal, solve. So they have a cube that's the Rubik's Impossible, and I made a video on that, which I'll put a link in the description, where it's basically a regular Rubik's Cube, but the stickers change colors. Now that's really challenging because how do you know which color's the right color? And supposedly it has two different solutions, but once you start solving it one way, you've got to find that one solution. And I showed how I solve it in the video. Now in this Phantom, the colors do change. However, they change from black to, well, the colors they're supposed to be. And the stickers are heat sensitive. There's a specific word for that. Does it say? It doesn't say here, but it has the ideal temperature to play, up to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. So I wonder on a really hot day what it's going to be like. Maybe I can test it out. It's kind of sunny today, but the weather's getting colder, so I'll try this today, just putting it out in the sun and see what happens. Here we go. So about the cube itself, well, it seems like the more modern Rubik's Cube. It definitely is. It's their newer model. Do the caps come off? I don't know if they do. Oh, what if I just breathe on it? It actually does work a little bit. Okay, I want to try solving this two ways. I'm going to just try solving it before the color runs out. And then I also want to try solving it. I'm going to scramble it right now. I'm going to try solving it using like a blind method. So I'm just going to solve one piece at a time. What I'm realizing though is as I touch other pieces, they will start to brighten up anyways. So my thought, maybe I could like wear gloves, but then it's going to be hard to solve and I don't really have gloves for that. But the idea is that I would just look at one piece at a time and solve that one piece like you would in a blind solving method. If you want to learn how to solve blind, I'll put a link in the description for that too. It's a lot of fun. Okay. It's actually, just looking at it like this, it looks really cool. It looks kind of like how if a video game wanted to show you that the Rubik's Cube is really old. This is what it would look like. It'd look like this. The stickers are just really old because they don't want to actually render like just a bunch of different colors. I don't know how rendering works. Anyways, let's just solve this. I'm going to solve it through the camera, so it's going to be a bit slower than normal. However, let's see here. That was kind of cool. It solves great. That newer Rubik's Cube, the newer brand, the Spin Master one, is wonderful. And this is from Spin Master. So I don't know if I should say it's from Spin Master or from Rubik, but really cool. So let's see how long that takes for it to fade out. We'll do orange because that'll be kind of obvious to see. So yeah, actually, wait. I'll put it on a stand so you can see three sides. We'll see how long this takes to fade out. But other than that, yeah, I don't think solving it that blind method would work. But what I was thinking is, yeah, just sort of, I would reveal. I was like unravel. I would reveal the one color, solve that one color, and then whatever is in that place, then I'd solve that one. And then I'd find another one and solve that one. And just move, because in blind solving, you basically just move a couple pieces at a time after doing a set number of moves. So, other than that, it's just a kind of cool looking cube. I think I'm definitely going to bring this to, my school so the kids can play with it. However, I'm definitely going to need to keep it sanitized because there'll be kids doing all this stuff just to, everyone's going to be really trying to heat up the cube. So I don't think I'll do a video of it unveiling it. I said it again. I don't think I'm going to make a video of it revealing itself with how warm the atmosphere is, because it's going to be very different depending on if it's in the sun, not in the sun, if it's how warm it is at the moment. Like, I'm sure if I put this in the freezer, it'd probably go back down really fast. Right now in this house, it's probably around 71, 72 degrees. No, it's probably a little bit warmer, but it's definitely getting darker, as you can see. So anyways, it's a really cool cube. It's also the same design as the newer Speed Cube. So it's not like some novelty one that doesn't work great. It really does work exceptionally well. I had fun with it. So definitely at competitions, I'll bring this, and it's just a fun thing that changes colors, and it works just like a professional Rubik's Cube. So thank you, Rubik and Spin Master, for sending this over. I appreciate it. I'm going to make a video on the other two right now. If you can think of any challenges to do with this, once it gets winter time, maybe I should try solving it outside then. I don't have a walk-in freezer at my house, so that's not really going to work too well. But yeah, let me know if you can think of any challenges I could do with this, or even the Rubik's Impossible, because it's been a while since I've solved that one. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. And as always, stop by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews.